Safeguarding your digital life starts with knowing how to securely log out of your Outlook mobile app, especially when navigating shared devices or juggling several email accounts. Let's dive into precisely how to log out of the Outlook app on your mobile device in just a few quick steps. First, open the Outlook application on your smartphone or tablet. You'll land on your inbox view now. Locate and tap on your profile picture or initial. This is usually found in the very top left corner of your screen. This action will open a side menu panel. Within this menu, you should see your account displayed. Look for the gear or cogwheel icon. This symbol typically represents settings. Tap on that gear icon to proceed. You're now in the settings menu for your Outlook account. From here, you need to find the option to manage your accounts. It might be labeled accounts or email accounts. Tap on the account you wish to sign out of. This will take you to the account-specific settings. Towards the bottom of this screen, you'll see an option to either sign out or remove account. Tap on the sign out or remove account option. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to verify your decision. Confirm your choice by tapping the sign out or yes button on the confirmation prompt, and just like that, you've successfully logged out of your Outlook account on this device. This is a crucial step for protecting your privacy and securing your information. Remember to perform this action whenever you've used Outlook on a shared or public device.